Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all will be fine. Today start a new unit number 3, number system. And in number system, we learn about the different system with base 2, 5, 8 and 10. And conversion of the system, one system to the another system with base 2, 5 and 8. And then add, subtract and multiply numbers with the different bases. So the first topic is number system. Any number system can be formed with the help of 10 digits. Digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These numbers are called numerals and these numerals are known as Arabic number. It means that we have a number system. In our routine life, when we make a number, we use these all digits. For example, we make a number 2438. The digits which are involved in this number, we use these digits for making this number. And the next is 321. 321 is a number and we use these digits for making this number. So the number system is a system which is used to make the numbers. The next is base of number system. Base of number system means that if there are 2 digits in the number system, we say that the base is 2. And if there are 10 digits, so we say that the base is 10. And if the digits are 5, we say that the base is 5. So the digits involved in number system shows the base of the number system. In the next topic, we have different bases 2, 5, 8 and 10. Binary system with base 2. It means that there are the 2 digits 0 and 1 in this system. Bi mean 2. So the binary system have 2 digits. It is a very popular system and it is also used in all types of computers because computer stores information in the form of binary system. And binary system is of primary importance in the modern age of computer. In binary system, we have 2 digits 0 and 1 and base is 2. And in computer language, 0 is used for off and 1 is used for on. So when we write base 2 or binary system, we write only 2 types of digits in base 2, 0 and 1. Next is number system with base 5. The number system involves digits 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The largest digit in base 5 system is 4. System with base 5. There are the 5 digits starts 0 and ends on 4. So the largest digit is 4. When we write the base 5 number system, we use these digits. And the next, the number system with base 8. The number system with base 8 is called octal system. In this system, 8 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are used. The largest digit in the base 8 system is 7. And the next we learn octal system. Octal mean 8. It means that the system which have 8 digits. Digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the largest digit is 7. Base is 8. But the digits are used for the octal system are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when we write with base 8, we use these digits. The next is decimal number system. Decimal number system is the most popular number system in the world. In this system, 10 digits are involved, 0 to 9. Every number can be expressed as sum of the multiples of power of 10, and 10 is called base. And the next is decimal number system. Deci mean 10. It means that the number system which have 10 digits. Digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Largest digit is 9 and the base is 10. So when we write base 10 number system, we use these all digits. So the number system is consist of 4 types of system. So we have 4 number system. The first is binary system with base 2 and the digits are 0 and 1. The next is number system with base 5. 5 is a base and digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 to 4. The next is octal system. The base is 8 and the digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0 to 7. And the next is decimal number system with the base 10 and the digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means 0 to 9. The next topic is conversion. Conversion mean convert one system to another system. So we have 4 number system. When we convert one system to another system, so for the conversion, when we convert decimal base 2, divide that number by 2. And when we convert decimal base 5, divide that number by 5. When we convert decimal base 8, divide that number by 8. It means that for the conversion, we divide that number by the base. Conversion from decimal number system to the other number system. Firstly, we convert decimal to binary system. Binary mean the system with base 2. For example, we have a value 541. Convert 541 into binary system. Binary system means the system which have 2 base. So we divide 541 with base 2 and this division method is called successive division method. So 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14 and then 1 is less than 2. So we put 0 here and 1 is remainder. And remainder is always right after the dash. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. There is no remainder, so we put 0 here. 2 6s are 12, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14 and then 1 is remainder. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 6 and 1 7, so 1 is a remainder. 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12 and 1 is remainder. 2 8s are 16. There is no remainder, so we write 0 here. 2 4s are 8, 0 is remainder. 2 2s are 4. 0 is remainder. 2 1s are 2 and the 0 is remainder. When we write the answer, we start from left to right and then upward. So 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 is the answer with base 2. Next is conversion from decimal system to a number with base 5. Convert 89,651 into equivalent number with base 5. We convert it with base 5. We divide this value with 5 according to the successive division method. 5 1s are 5, 3 carry, 5 7s are 35, 4 carry, 5 9s are 45, 1 carry and 5 3s are 15. So 1 is less than 5. So we write 0 here and 1 is remainder. 5 3s are 15, 2 carry 29, 5 5s are 25, 4 carry 43 and 5 8s are 40. 3 we have 30, so 5 6 are 30. There is no remainder, so we write 0. 5 7s are 35, 5 1s are 5, 3 carry, 5 7s are 35. We have 36, so 1 is remainder. 5 1s are 5, 2 carry, 5 4s are 20, 1 carry, 5 3s are 15, and we have 17, so 2 is remainder. 5 2s are 10, 4 carry, 43 we have, so 5 8s are 40 and 3 remainder. 5 5s are 25, 3 is remainder, 5 1s are 5, and then 0 is remainder. And we write answer from left to right and then upward. So the answer is 1 0 3 3 2 1 0 1. The next is conversion from decimal to octal system, base 8. So we have base 8. It means that we divide 824 with base 8. 8 1s are 8. Then 2 is less than 8. So we use both values 2 and 4, and the value becomes 24. So we put 0 here. Because we use two values at a time, so we put 0 here. Now the value is 24. 8 3s are 24. There is no remainder, so we write 0. 8 1s are 8, 2 carry, 8 2s are 16, and 7 is remainder. 8 1s are 8 and 4 is remainder. We write the answer from left to right and then upward. The answer is 1470. Do practice of all examples on your notebook. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.